Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. Today I have with me 7 special edition Honda models, and in today's video I'm going to show you what's so special about these Honda cars. Download the official WapCar app now on Google Play Store. The 7 special edition models are to commemorate 1 million Honda cars sold in Malaysia, and these cars can't be bought and can only be won through Honda's 1 Million Dreams campaign. The 7 special edition models are made out of Honda Malaysia's best-selling CKD models, which are the all-new City, Jazz, BRV, HRV, CRV, Civic and Accord. All of them are the range-topping variants and they get unique cosmetic changes inside and out. All 7 special edition models are offered exclusively in this platinum white pearl color, and on the exterior front, unique changes to the special edition models include this black front grille with red accent lip, dual-tone black roof, black side mirror caps with red lip, as well as black painted alloy wheels, again with the red accents. And on the front fenders on the special edition models, you'll find the 1 Million Dreams special edition emblem. Now, something I've noticed on the sedan models, the A-pillars are not painted in black, only the roof. The other 4 cars have their A-pillars painted in black. Now, personally, I love how the special edition cars look. The dual-tone paintwork, the black chrome, the black bits around the car, all give it a much more aggressive look. It's a shame though that these kits are only available on the special edition models and the standard cars don't get them. Inside, unique to the special edition models is this leather-wrapped steering wheel with red stitching as well as a red center marker, a 1 Million Dreams special edition plug on the dashboard, as well as embroidery within the headrest. Now, all these 7 special edition models also comes with a leather pouch to protect your car keys. Mechanically and specification-wise, the special edition models remain unchanged from their respective range-topping variants. So there you have it, Honda's 1 million special edition models, which you stand a chance to win by participating in the contest. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of these special edition models? And as always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Download the official WapCar app on Apple App Store and Google Play Store for all your latest reviews, news and comparisons to help you find your next perfect car.